Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another exciting evening. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. So if you have not, please like and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will leave everything on my handles below. And if you guys want to see what this video is about, just keep on watching. So in today's video, I finally got my BoxyCharm for December and I got my paid box. So if you guys want to see what I got, just keep on watching. What is BoxyCharm? I'm sure you all know already by now. BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service where you can get 5 full-size beauty products with an average of $175 for just $25 a month. It might be going up, I'm not sure about it, but I will find out and let you guys know. With BoxyCharm Base Box, every month you can upgrade to Premium or Luxe once subscribed. So, this is my PR box. Thank you guys, BoxyCharm, for gifting me December's PR box, and let's go ahead and open it. I haven't opened it yet, so let's see what we got. We're gonna compare both boxes. I've seen so many people do these before, and I haven't gotten the chance to do them because I always get my base box, my paid base box, I always get it late, so let's see what we have. So here's the box. There's everything inside. I'm gonna pull you guys in a little bit closer. They're pretty, and I put a couple little snowmen Christmas trees right there, not snowmen. Okay, so let's pull you guys in a little bit closer. So here's the box here, and let's see what the little card says. BoxyCharm Gift of Glam. So follow BoxyCharm and tag BoxyCharm Gift of Glam to chance to be featured. So here is the card here, and then here's all the products on the back. I'm just going to go through them all. So the first item I got was Algae's Triple Algae Eye Renewal Balm. Oh my gosh, I need this so badly. Like, look under my eyes. I've been working like a crazy person so much. This is going to be great. A targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles. Girl, I need this. Oh. To reduce under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, and crow's. Yes, thank you. This is worth it right here. This is retail for $68. I'm going to use this tonight after I'm done with this video. $68 right there. That, yeah, very excited about this. The next item I got was Studio Makeup Hyaluronic Acid Rejuvenating Serum. Sorry, I cannot speak. And that is right here. I'm going to turn this light down a little bit. This ring light. There we go. Here it is right here. The perfect serum for all ages. Ooh. This highly concentrated hyaluronic acid rejuvenating serum works quickly to reverse effects of dehydration, loss of elasticity, while keeping skin highly moisturized throughout the day, leaving skin looking radiant and youthful. Okay, so here it is here. I like the bottle. Bottle's really nice. And you just squeeze it. Put it on your face, good to go. I guess you can use it, it doesn't say under or over makeup. I guess you could use it under your makeup, excuse me. I would probably use it under my makeup. Or after, like, or before you go to bed, put it on as a serum. And this retails for $45. The next item is from Benefit Cosmetics, Georgia Golden Peach Blush. I love Benefit Cosmetics. Very, very good. A very nice brand. Their aesthetic is really cute. Everything from Benefit Cosmetics is really cute. It smells like peaches, I think. Here's the color here. It's a nice peachy blush. It'll look really pretty on my skin tone, I bet. A peachy dream. A peachy dream come true. Benefit's cut favorite Georgia Peach Golden Blush is back and sweeter than ever. Georgia is a warm, vibrant peach shade with a soft golden shimmer. Let's see if it has it in it. Yeah, it's very, very faint, the shimmer in it. And this retails for $30. So far, 3 out of 3 items are great. The next item is Allure Beauty Box Sponge Duo. Blend it out, set the stage for a seamless smooth blend with a super soft Allure Bella Sponge Duo. You can use them again and again. Sponges are great for your face, so they are always needed and always used, and I always use a ton of them. Look, these are how gross these ones are, because I've been so busy, you guys. These are the ones I've been using. Look how gross they are. I need to wash them. And these retail for $24. The last item I got was by Stephanie Botanicals Luna Liner Water Resistant Liquid Eyeliner. Vegan fade proof water resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensity black for ultimate eye definition. Okay, oh, here it is, and it has like a package thingy around it. I like liquid liners, but I like them that have the brush. The ones that have the little tips. I mean, I know a lot of people do like those ones, but I personally like the ones that have a little brush on it. I used to buy NYC's, and they don't have it. They're out of business, so, but whatever. See, maybe I found a new liquid eyeliner. Oh, it's a pen one, little tip one. The problem is I have a problem like when I do my liner to do my cat eye. I don't like the way it looks with a pen tip, but that's okay. I could just always try it out. This retails for $18. So where's my phone? There it is. Let's add up this box and see how much it cost. How much it's 68 plus 45 plus 30 plus 24 plus 18. $185. That's how much this box is worth. I would say this is a good box. I like every item in it. Even the liquid eyeliner, I don't mind trying it because I can always also use liquid eyeliner when I'm doing different really cool looks and stuff like that. Okay, so the next box is my paid box. Thank you again, BoxyCharm, for gifting me December's box, Gift of Glam. So this is my paid box, and let's open her up. See what we got. Here's the box here. Here's everything in it. And I'm also going to take pictures and put on my Instagram, so make sure and go like them too. Thank you very much. Another BoxyCharm Gift of Glam, and here's all the products on the back. So let's just go through them. Okay, so I got another Algae Triple Algae Renewal Balm. It's the same as the other ones, so I'm going to put this in a giveaway. I don't know yet. So stay tuned for that giveaway. I think I'm going to announce the giveaway this Sunday. I will do my video and put it up for you guys. I know it's been a while since I was able to do a video. I've been so busy, and it's just an understatement. Anyways, this is the same item I got in my PR box. And this retails for $68. So let's 68 plus. The next item is Mud Musky. I don't think I'm saying it right. Mineral infused double cleansing mask. Okay, these are really good. I got one of these in my Allure Beauty Box. I think a smaller one, a deluxe size. This worked really good. So this non-foaming fragrance-free cleansing mask is infused with rich minerals to detoxify and deep cleanse your face before bedtime. I think I might try it out before I go to bed. So it has a blend of cleansing minerals, signature premium Moroccan lava clay to restore your skin's pH levels, reducing redness and preventing acne. We all can use something to prevent acne. Like, look, I have some imperfections all over my face just because of everyday life. And this retails for $59. Wow. That's kind of pricey for this little... I guess I'll try before I go to bed. The next item I got was this Blink Ultra Volume Tube Mascara. Blink Ultra Volume Tube Mascara is a clean vegan formula that gives you an ultra light wearing buildable false lash effect. So here's the box here. Here is the mascara here. You can always use a mascara. Mascaras are always good to have. Here's what the wand looks like. Retails for $26. I might put this in a giveaway too, only because I wear lash extensions right now and I don't know if I'll need to use this right now, so this might go in the giveaway too. The next item I got was Sophia and Mabel Satin Powder Highlight. Okay, so this is it here. A new secret weapon. This satin powder highlight applies lightly that builds with ease. It brings a blinding glow to whatever you apply it, but it's buildable without looking cakey. That's good because with some highlighters, they do tend to look cakey and kind of blotchy. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so far the packaging is pretty. Oh, it's kind of like, watch this. Oh, there it goes. You can see the shimmer right there. That is pretty. I will end up keeping this because I did swatch it. This retails for $22. I like the size because it's a size you could throw in your bag and you're good to go. And then the last item was another liquid liner. It's the same one I got in my PR box. So this I'm going to put in my giveaway. And this retails for $18 too. So let's add this box up and see how much it totals up. 68 plus 59 plus 26 plus 22 plus 18. Okay, well this box actually is worth more than the other box. I think because of the Mud Masky, that's $59 right there. And then the Algae Eye Renewal Cream is another $68. So this was another good box. But I honestly think I liked my PR box a little bit more than my base box. But that's okay. You know, I like getting BoxyCharm because you get to try all these products and see if you like them or not. That's what BoxyCharm is. And I'm going to just continue to keep them. So everybody, I hope you guys are all doing great. I'm getting there. Every day is a different day. Yeah, Christmas is next week and it's just crazy that it's already Christmas time. I mean, we just had Thanksgiving and my birthday was last month. It happens every October. Every October, every time October starts, the year's done. And it's, ugh. I want October back. I want Halloween back, but whatever. Can't have everything my way. So if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Before Alice got to Wonderland, she had to fall. And I will see all you birdies later. Bye everybody. Good night.